This is my current computer setup at the moment. Just got the monitor, keyboard, mouse up here. And down here I've got my external hard drive enclosure, my desktop, as well as a couple of extra hard drives. So I'll be kind of cleaning this whole thing up now, and I will hopefully improve myself a bit. So first things first, I have to pull all this out. So I'll start with these drawers. These hard drives, that one's not plugged in at the moment. Let's go to the side. This hard drive enclosure has come out as well. DVD drive. USB. Another hard drive. Got some more down here. So first power. Data. Okay. Another USB cable. Power. Last but not least. He's quick here now. And now this can come out. And here is the inside of the computer. Got a GTX 1660 Super, got 32 GB of RAM. This is the inside of the computer. As I said before, I'll just give you a bit of a closer up look now. So there's the 3 sticks of RAM, the 32 gigs of DDR4 in total. But I have Core 8, Intel Core i5, I'm not sure on the specific model, and that's more than enough for what I need. Here I've got a GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Now this is graphics card on this little cover for some reason, not exactly sure why. The graphics card's up here, not under the cover. This little shroud comes off. This gives you better access to the hard drives under here. If you pull, just slide out. But overall, there's a little bit dusty in here. Down here's a 1 TB, the 5 GB hard drive. Also got a few resaver slots just down here, so I could probably also use those just to put in a few extra hard drives. Although I don't think I do have any power for each, so I won't be able to use that unless I've already got a power splitter. So I think I might as well take a look at the back of the motherboard. Dust there. These ones are a lot tighter. I've just got a screwdriver for these ones. Just the last thumb screw under here. So this is an RGB control for the RGB fans. And it looks like there's actually quite a lot of dust just on these pins. I'll try to get a better shot of that. There we go, as you can see, there's a lot of just dust. Everything seems to be reasonably well managed. A bit of dust now just from that here. Looks like we actually do have enough power, although chance they can fit a hard drive and stretch the sort of manage that over to it. One thing I might be able to do, however, is I might be able to just get a cable plug into the SATA port on the motherboard and just mount it back here. I might be able to play a 2.5-inch hard drive somewhere back here. I've got this 100GB HD. I just have the line go around. It's a Seagate drive. I've also just short little SATA cable. And it's just the main one thing just get from the SATA port to the back here, so it'll be close enough. So the hard drive now, I'll try plugging that just into the cable here. I'll try to just pull it out a bit more, so I get a bit of a better angle up for it. And there we go. In theory I should probably mount this somewhere, but it doesn't really seem like there's much of a place to fit it in here, so it'll probably just be dangling just behind here with all these cables. So next I'll plug in the power cable. Next I have to plug in the SATA cable. And there it is, it's sort of sticking out, so I'll probably have to maneuver this a bit to try to fit it in. I can slightly change the wiring here. I found that I can fit the hard drive just and then have the cables running back, so the hard drive is now visible just to the front there. I'm just taking it outside. Look at all that dust. That's quite a lot. I'll get some compressed air and I'll blow that out. Look at all that. There's a bit just in the side of the lens, just in the front panel as well. As you can see, there's quite a bit on here as well, but not as much as here. So I'll just give it a good clean out. It should be a lot more clean than it was before. There's still a bit of dust, but it's a lot better than it was. So I'm going to just plug it in and let it out, and hopefully I didn't mess anything up when I was changing all the cables at the back. I guess it's on now. Looks like it's all fired up, no problem. Just have to log in and hopefully all the hard drives work and haven't messed up anything with all the cables. 2-in file manager, as you can see, brand new for only 500GB volume. That should give a bit more space. I might put some, I might use that just to source some content, maybe some games on. But nice to have, although it's not too much storage. It's a lot better than not having an extra 500 gigs. Now I've got my PC under here, so I'll plug it in and then I'll just drop down the cables I need. I can plug everything in. Plug in the computer's power. Now let's start dropping our cables. Power cable for the monitor. HDMI cable for the monitor, USB for the mouse, and USB end of the lightning cable. The lightning cable used to charge an iPhone. I'll plug this AC to USB adapter in there. Connect it to the end of this cable to charge iPhones. I'll plug some USBs in there. I'll move this out of the way. going to plug in HDMI in. Now it's need to plug the monitor in. I'll start plugging some things in. First, this is the audio recorder. USB cord from headphone cord from this code right in there. Next I need to power it. So I'll do that using this micro USB cable. This USB cable has been used. To plug this hard drive in. I'll plug in this battery charger, so I need to drop this. I also need to drop this behind as well. I decided that I'll plug in this disk drive in just here. Because although I can plug it in the back, given that it's got a since this new setup isn't giving me anywhere to plug in these extra hard drives, they'll just be sitting up here until such time as I need to use them, and I can just plug them. And then I can just plug them in at the top. So this is my final setup. If you like the video, please like the video. Comment down below any thoughts you had, any suggestions for future videos, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this.